Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing another fun blindfold test with ice cream. I am going to make it easy on Dave today. I'll just let him eat them out of the carton. He will be blindfolded, but it'll make it a little bit easier so the ice cream won't be flying all over the place. So as soon as these soften just a little bit, we'll get him to do a taste test. Alright everybody, so Dave's going to be trying 2 of the Great Value different tasting type of ice creams. So he is blindfolded. He's thrilled to death, as you can tell. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'll take the lids off for him and then he can taste them to see if he can guess what they are and which one he likes better.
Tastes like coffee or something. Did I just drop some?
Yes, did. A little bit on your shirt and on the table. And yes, you're right about the coffee.
I don't know what this is.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I like it.
Do you like that one the best?
You know, I don't normally drink coffee, but that's not bad, the coffee one. I would eat it. I don't know if I would buy another thing of it, but...
No guesses on what that one is? Well, then you can take your mask off. And so which one did you choose as your favorite?
This one.
Okay.
Although the coffee one is not bad. I could tell this had some nuts in it or something. Biscuits and jam. Okay. Is it grape or something, or blueberry? Okay. Yeah, this one's pretty good.
And the other one is Coffee Toffee Crunch.
I thought I got a crunchy something in there. I just got a big crunchy something. Yeah. If I was in the mood for ice cream and this was all that was in there, I would eat it. But if both of these were in there, I would eat that one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This one's a good one. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.